Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 30th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Overcoming the Vanity of Mortal Mind. Swami, your thoughts?
Everything done with human will and personal sense can be done for good or for bad. This is the vanity of mortal mind. Only divine mind brings forth the perfection of being.
Looking for a better use of mind? Listen to the podcast. So visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam